I'm Charu Singh, Chief Advisor of the Board at Sunrise Learning Foundation, wishing everyone a happy 7th birthday. What a beautiful day and what an amazing journey. पर ये जर्नी सिर्फ सोनाली की, मेरी या हमारे फाउंडेशन की नहीं है. ये जर्नी उस दिन शुरू होती है जब कोई भी पेरेंट, सिबलिंग या फैमिली ये रियलाइज़ करते हैं कि उनके पास एक स्पेशली एबल बच्चा है. एंड उस एक्सेप्टेंस के बाद का हर दिन हम सब के लिए एक स्पेशल लर्निंग और एक स्पेशल एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है. ऐसे ही कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस, लर्निंग्स और ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरीज को कलेक्ट करती है हमारी ये प्रोडक्शन आप सबके लिए, बिकॉज एवरी वन ऑफ यू इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ वॉट वी कॉल द सनराइज लर्निंग फाउंडेशन. हैप्पी 7th.
Happy birthday, Sunrise Learning. Congratulations, Sonali ma'am. Congratulations to all of us. The two main things that I have learned from Sunrise Learning and Sonali ma'am is happiness is a choice. I had joined Sunrise Learning in 2018. तब से लेकर आज तक 3 years में बहुत सारे challenges आए लाइफ में, बट हमेशा सोनाली मैम की ये कोट, सोनाली मैम की आवाज़ में ही मेरे दिमाग में गूंजता रहता है दैट हैप्पीनेस इज़ अ चॉइस. वी हैव टू मेक अ चॉइस ऑलवेज. हम हैप्पीनेस अपने लिए चूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड सेकेंड इज़ that no matter how small steps you are taking, as long as you are moving forward, it is success. तो हम इन्हीं दोनों कोटेशंस को फॉलो करते हुए मैंने अपने 3 साल यहाँ पे निकाले हैं, and I have implied it in my life also. Thank you, Sonali ma'am. Thank you so much, Sunrise Learning. Love you loads. Love you.
Hello, my dear Sunrise Learning. This message is for you on your 7th birthday. I have written a letter for you and I am going to read it for you. My dear Sunrise Learning, today you will turn 7 and on your 7th birthday, wishing you a very happy birthday. May you keep rising and shining like you always do, and may the warmth of your light and love touch many more lives. It's been almost 3+ years we started this journey together. I wish I was there from the very beginning, from your birth, but it is never too late. This journey started with just an intention to provide some meaningful time to my child and students at Sunrise Learning. I never imagined that it is going to be such a wonderful journey. We did so many things together. We grew each and every day together. You have given so many priceless things to me that I cannot even count. I am short of words to thank you for that. You helped me to recognize real me. You empowered me as a teacher and as a mother. You made me a better person. You are not a place or a building to me and Saksham. You are our family. You are integral part of us. You mean a lot to us. Like Dr. Sonali says, you are her third child. You mean a lot to me and Saksham too. You are part of our family. You are the hope and light that gives us strength and peace. Each and every part of you is something we love from deep inside of our heart. You have given and you keep on giving wonderful people, wonderful friends, and memories to cherish for forever. I keep on telling and if I keep on telling and expressing each and every feeling I have for you, then days will come short. So again, I wish you a very happy birthday. 7th is just a beginning. It is a long way to go. There are many milestones to achieve and many things to do together. May you blossom each and every other day. May all the dreams for you, everyone has been dreaming, come true very soon. God bless you. Lots of love, hugs and wishes. Yours, Vandana. Thank you. Love you.
On the occasion of 7th Foundation Day of Sunrise Learning School, I would like to congratulate Team Sunrise for their commitment towards holistic development of the students and providing them with the best of facilities a school can. In the pandemic time when the survival was at stake, Sunrise team had been on toes to keep the spirit and motivation level high of the students, parents and teachers. The whole 1.5 year had been so inspiring, and the tremendous development of the student has shown that all these efforts were worth it. I would like to appreciate Dr. Sonali and Dr. Ajay Sirohi and their families for giving us all a very homely and loving environment and standing strong for the entire Sunrise family in all the circumstances. Any great work to be done, it is important to have the right foundation on which the future stands, and Sunrise has given that platform to all of us. I am proud to be a Sunriser. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruchi and I'm working as a coordinator in Sunrise Learning and wishing a very happy birthday to Sunrise Learning for completing its 7 years on 14th November 2021. I have joined Sunrise Learning in 2016 April and I'm going to complete my 6th year here, and it's been a wonderful journey, my growth as a person, and I truly believe in the vision of Sunrise Learning. So thank you so much. I'm blessed to be a part of Sunrise Learning and I'm so much proud of it. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Nivedita. I am mother of Darsh, who is a 10-year-old autistic boy. And today I want to share a very heartfelt thank you message for Sunrise Learning. Without them, my son and me would haven't reached the milestones we have reached in our lives. Thanks to Sonali ma'am, I always call her my angel. There was one fine day when my son was diagnosed with autism, and I just did not know what to do in spite of all my education and my competencies, etc. I just did not know what autism is and how should I help my son to help myself. Had she not been there, had the Sunrise team not been there, Darsh would have not come this far. I owe a lot to the entire group of teachers and Sonali ma'am. Every staff member is so loving for the kids. They accept them with open arms, work with them, and have an amazing sense of patience. The never say die attitude, where they infuse optimism just not in the kid but in their families also. So more than the kids learning and growth and evolution is the family's evolution that they ensure by helping the kids to grow from all venues, be it the sensory issues, be it the academic learning, be it the independent living. Their entire way of bringing the child up is just amazing. I will be always thankful throughout my life to Sonali ma'am and the school. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for what you have done to my son. Thank you, and lots of love and blessings to all the kids.
Hi, this is Dr. Sheetal Dubewar from Yavatmal, Maharashtra, an ophthalmologist. I am Rian's mother, who is 5 years old and is diagnosed with SPD. So me and my husband were searching for a special school, that too online, which ended up taking admission in Sunrise Learning. And when we were taking the admission, we were told that the child will be approached in a holistic way, and I'm so glad that what they meant they did. May it be art, may it be academics, may it be the physical exercise, yoga, uh, or may it be the speech sessions, or may it be anything. So they have covered up everything. Uh, so I'm very glad and very happy that I'm part of Sunrise Learning. So to summarize, Sunrise is a complete package of everything.
Sunrise Learning, you are not a school for me. You are my second home. You are the most lovely. You have given me a place where I can just be me, where I am known for my strengths and the person I am. You have given me most precious people, my friends and my teachers. You have given me priceless memories. You are the dream I dreamed. Forever love you, with you. Very happy birthday, love success.
I would like to dedicate few lines of a song to Sunrise Learning. रोके तुझको आंधियां या जमी और आसमां, पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा, लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है. Thank you.